4 years ago, I was hired as a marketer for a startup. We ran a niche community web app. When marketing the site, I connected to around 5,000 people who were our prospective users. As I talked to these people, I collected tons of feedback. What they liked, what they didn't like, and what features they would like to see in the future. But my problem was that I knew exactly nothing about web development. This made it hard for me to understand which features was hard to make and which ones were not. I felt completely lost when people started talking about servers, clients, Git, front-end, back-end, and other important words in web development. To some extent, it felt like we were building a house, but I didn't know how to talk about the building blocks of the house. Things like the roof, walls, and floors. I had no idea what changes would take 6 minutes or 600 minutes to make. So I started to learn about web technologies. I wanted to get a basic understanding of what the various parts of a web app are called. Like learning about different building blocks of a house, I learned about the various building blocks of a website. I did all this by trial and error. I read books, took courses, and coded a lot of projects. I met people like me, people from a business background working in tech companies, and I understood that I wasn't the only one being lost. Looking back, I would have loved a crash course that would have shortened my learning curve. And that's why I created this course. In this course, you will get a basic understanding of web development. This won't teach you how to code, but in a couple of minutes a day, we will talk about the basic building blocks of web apps, so that you can talk to developers about features and not feel lost. We will go through basic questions like how do coders build things together, what is the architecture of a website, what are the building blocks of a website, who is doing what code already exists, where can you learn how to code, and how does it all tie together. So please join me on this 7-day journey to understanding web development.